Hello Coffeeholics, welcome back. Today I am so excited because I'm going to share with you new drink recipes. And these drinks are now very popular in Korea. So I thought I'm going to break it down and give it my twist. So today it is going to be cream cheese latte. Two different ways. We are going to make hot cream cheese latte and ice cream cheese latte. For this, it will be premium. We are going to use espresso shots using the espresso machine for both the hot and the ice. And also our cream cheese is using my own homemade cream cheese foam. In future video tutorials, I'm going to show you how to make it using instant coffee, cold brew, and maybe French press brew as well. So stay tuned for other versions of this cream cheese latte. Let's look at the ingredients. For the ingredients, I'm going to use my medium roast coffee beans. I'm going to use whole cream milk. You can change this to whatever milk of your own choice. You can use soy milk, almond milk, or whatever that you prefer. And we are going to use my milk syrup. For my milk syrup this time, I would like it to be less sweet, so I'm using a 50-50, half condensed milk and half evaporated milk. This is just going to make the drink really, really rich and even tastier than adding cream cheese into it. And then, of course, we are going to make use of my homemade cream cheese foam. For the cream cheese foam, I am going to share the link with you above. Please do check it out after watching this video clip. We are going to start by pulling our espresso shots. For my hot cream cheese latte, I'm going to use 1 shot of espresso. And for my ice cream cheese latte, it is 16 ounces. I am going to use double shot espresso. The recipes for 22 and 12 ounces will be in the description box below, so do check it out. Let's start by pulling our espresso shots. For the hot cream cheese latte, I'm going to pull 1 shot of espresso, or about 1 ounce, using a single basket filter. Next is to steam my milk. Pour the milk into the cup, mixing the espresso with the milk, but leaving the foam out. I am using a squeeze bottle here to pour my cream cheese foam on top. It allows for bits of art on top of your latte. The balance of the cream cheese foam is important here. Too little and you don't get to taste the cream cheese. Too much and it might be too rich. About 1.5 to 2 ounces would be a good balance. Next, let's prepare our iced cream cheese latte. For the 16 ounces cup, I am going to pull 2 shots or 2 ounces of espresso using a double basket filter. Into this, add 2 ounces of milk, and 1.5 ounce of milk syrup. Mix well. I would make sure at this stage that the latte will taste good at the very first sip. Therefore, make sure they are well combined. The drink is best taken without a straw, hence sipped. Pour the drink over ice. Stir it in and pour the cream cheese over. The ideal amount of cream cheese should be about 2 ounces, just enough to make a thickish layer of cream cheese on top and make it look irresistible. Put the sip lid on and we are done. Well, look at Christiana. She's here to do our taste test again. She's going to tell you how each one of them tastes like. You're not supposed to drink it yet. You have to wait until we are on air.
Oh, it's...
It's very tempting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so well, anyway, now that you've tried it, I would like you to please try the hot first and then tell us how it tastes like, and then the ice, which is almost halfway there.
I haven't had my coffee this afternoon, so I went a bit overboard. Okay. Okay.
How does it taste like?
On the hot one, you can really taste the coffee a lot more. You can taste the cream cheese, but it's more of like a subtle taste, whereas with the cold one, because I think the cream cheese is on top and there's quite a lot more cream cheese by the looks of it, I would say it's a better balance for me, because for me, when it comes to these edgy drinks, the more of the edginess, the better. So like the more cream cheese, the better. It really depends on how you like to have your drinks. This is just a personal preference. If you put more cream cheese, it's going to be a lot more. It's going to be a lot heavier in terms of the texture, I guess, and the calories. If you're counting calories, so I'm not too bothered by that. And I think that if I'm going to have like an edgy coffee drink, or I'm going to have a dessert type coffee drink, then I would want it to be really desserty.
Well, so, speaking of which, in Korea, the way they make their cream cheese latte is that they actually put 2 layers of cream cheese. So they put it in the middle, a layer of cream cheese there, then pour the rest of the coffee, and then another layer on top.
Wait,
now,
you mean so there's like 2 layers?
2 layers of cream cheese. Wow. Okay. That will be
That's a wow for me.
That will be very, very decadent.
Yeah.
Indulgent. So
I want to try that. Yeah.
Well, anyway, I think this is a good balance. It looks absolutely tempting with that thick layer of cream cheese there, and also because these are homemade, there is nothing synthetic about the taste of the cream cheese, which makes it really, really special.
I mean, having said that, like I'd like it to go all the way, but I also don't have these dessert type coffee drinks very often. That's why I can probably afford to not have to tone it down. But if I were to have it quite regularly, say I was going to have it once or twice a week, I'd definitely prefer this sort of formula.
Okay, well, your choice. You can put 2 layers, or you can just put the way that I did it here, with a thick layer on top. And make sure that you use a sip lid, because this is taken, this is actually sipped. You don't use a straw.
Yeah.
So
I think if you use a straw, you wouldn't really be able to enjoy it.
That's right.
To the fullest at all.
The first is the cream cheese, and then you go to the coffee, and it's just you tilt it slightly. You know how this was popularized by milk tea drinks, and now it's just being introduced with coffee. So if you do like edgy coffee or something different for your coffee, do try these recipes. Well, if you have any questions at all, do let us know, comment below. And as always, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.